Hey everyone, my name is Pratik, and today we are going to be trying something different at the Mopa airport. So, my brother and I are traveling to Bangalore. So, Vedang is going to be following DigiYatra while I go in through the manual checkup. Let's see who arrives late and where it takes the most time. Cool, let's go. So, Vedang is following the DigiYatra line, and I am following the normal entry. Let's see how it goes. Look who's waiting for me. So actually it took Vedang 17 seconds to get out, whereas for me it took quite some more time. Vedang all set.
All set.
So Vedang's putting on the timer here to check how fast can he go in and how much time will I take for the regular. Chalo, Vedang,
Start.
let's go. Entry, I'm taking that entry. Vedang is going towards the DigiYatra entry, I'm going here. Let's see who comes out faster. That fast. Vedang's was 7 seconds and mine was around 10 to 12 seconds. Today, luckily, the normal security check did not have rush, but Vedang's was like just in and out. So there was just a delay of around maybe 10 seconds. But then that's the best part about DigiYatra. So overall, if you see, then yes, Vedang's was quicker than the normal check-in and the security check that I did. So overall, DigiYatra great. Manual check also good, but when you can upgrade, why not? So see you for the next videos. Until then, be happy, stay safe, and take care of yourselves. See you. Bye bye. Vedang, say bye.